Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your Wizz Air flight ticket. Whether you've made a typo during booking or your name has legally changed, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website. Type in www.wizzair.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, scroll down towards the bottom of the page where you'll find the Help Center section. Click on it to access Wizz Air's support resources. In the Help Center, look for the Booking Modification option and click it. This section contains all the tools you need to modify your existing reservations. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu with various booking modification options. Under Booking Modification, find Passenger Details Change and click it. Then, directly underneath that section, click on Name Change. This is where you'll manage any changes to passenger names on your ticket. Here's what you need to know about Wizz Air's name change policy. If you made a mistake during booking or your name has legally changed, you can modify the passenger's name online through your Booking Wizz Air account up to 3 hours before your scheduled departure time. However, if you want to completely change the traveler's name to someone else's, a name change fee will apply for each passenger on each flight. And if you prefer to make these changes through the Wizz Air call center instead of online, an additional call center transaction fee will be charged on top of the name change fee. To make the changes online, log into your Wizz Air account, select your booking by clicking Details under the flight you want to modify. In the right corner of the booking overview page, click the Make Changes button. From there, you can change passenger details in the Change Passenger Details menu. The system will automatically calculate the change fee based on the newly provided name. Here's some good news. Wizz Air allows certain name corrections free of charge. You can make corrections online at no cost if you need to fix a misspelled name, correct a typo, or supplement incomplete data. Specifically, free corrections include changing up to 3 characters in the name, extending an abbreviated name to a full name to match your travel document, changing the gender or title, or swapping your first and last name if they're mixed up. Keep in mind you can only make 1 free name change correction per booking. If you're unable to make corrections online, contact Wizz Air's call center for assistance. They may ask for additional proof of identity to confirm the request. You'll find specific options for misspelled names, name changes due to marriage, name and surname swaps, missed middle names or titles, and other personal details changes. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to change a name on your Wizz Air flight ticket, whether it's a simple correction or a complete name change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.